F1-2, maintenant une vitesse de 702 plus jusqu'à 4000 du seuil.
1,50 pour le 912?
Oui, ça me convient.
Donc 1% jusqu'à 4000 plus 912.
Jazz 706, reduce speed 180 knots.
Okay, we're going to go to 180, that's 756.
Roger.
Five Papa.
Second Mike. Golf Bravo, offense, holding short runway 22, ready for departure.
Bravo Golf Auto Tower, be right here now, direct storm prior, got above 1,500 feet. The wind is basically light and variable right now. Clear takeoff runway 22.
Clear takeoff 22, Bravo Golf.
Let's have 1 minute back contact, Ottawa Criminal now, 1277. Vitesse 5, au revoir.
Plateau de Québec, 265. La fin de 9, au revoir.
Hotel, left flight 4 minutes.
Jazz 706, turn right, heading 150.
Right, turn 150, that's 706.
Flight 4, go ahead.
Left flight 4 minutes back, requesting 2,000.
Flight 4 minute back, Roger, 2,000 feet is approved towards Cornwall.
She just smiled and laughed at me and took the blues back again. There's a big hot sun beating all the big people in a big hot world. There's a big hot sun.
AC 4539, descend 6,000. Jazz 706, descend 4,500.
4,500, that's 706.
Negative, with rapidly on discussion.
Parfait, on va avoir une demande pour la distance. Oui, on va faire une demande pour la distance.
Il n'y a pas de problème. De votre site pour le 14 ans, c'est changé.
Okay, Roger. Jazz 706, descend 4,000, clear Dart at Super approaching Quebec.
Currently RNAV, runway 24, Quebec, that's 706.
Jazz 706, Roger, by your right turn 210. And you will intercept on my deck.
Okay, we're in the process of
Sure.
Once I stood to lose her when I saw what I had done. Burned down and flew away the hours.
Tower, hello, we're in 447 with you, holding short
So I
25.
tried to warn her and turned to see her weak. 40
Yeah, 447 Ottawa Tower, contact departure 128.17 airborne. The wind is light and variable. Ottawa Golf, Ottawa Tower, hello, altimeter is 3043, cleared the right base, 22, and first stop.
Here's right base 22, Bravo Golf.
Tango Victor India, clear section going with you.
Let's go 22, Tango Victor, yeah.
Yes, clearance, Golf Lima Lima Mike as Victor and requesting a passenger at 3,000.
Lima Lima Micro, squawk 6675, taxi Tango in my frequency, contact tower 1201, holding short runway.
Squawk 6675, taxi Tango for runway 22, contact tower 1 holding short, Golf Lima Lima Mike.
Good day, sir, Canada 446. We're in descent 3000 with Victor.
Canada 446, Ottawa Terminal, good morning, runway 25, altimeter 3042.
3042, Air Canada 446.
Wisconsin 3852, fly heading 010, descend 3000, you are number 1.
010, 3000, West number 10, 3852. Et j'arrive direct, bonjour, de Levac, de 13.3 pour 8, next, F,
Québec 1-0, Medevac, terminal bon matin et piste Tango, vecteur numéro 1 pour la piste 2-4, et la distance à Québec 3051, descendez 6000 pieds.
3051, sur 6
Tango Victor India, if you'd like to do a left-hand 270-degree turn, that'll put you back on the downwind with plenty of space.
Tango Victor India will do. Bravo.
Contact Ottawa ground 121.9.
Over to ground out, Bravo Gamma. Thanks.
Wisconsin 3852, turn left heading 340, descend 2000.
340, 2000, Wisconsin 3852.
Here.
22, the wind again, still pretty much light and variable. And on the go, just climb runway heading, I'll call you turning crosswind.
Clear, touch and go. 22, continue on runway heading, and you will call us on crosswind. Julia Zulu Papa.
Zulu Papa, Roger.
Air Canada 446, proceed direct to Oulagu on course.
Direct to Oulagu, Air Canada 446.